Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an active developer badge on Discord. First of all, open Discord. Click on the plus icon from your bottom left. Then tap on Create My Own. Skip this question over here. Next, provide a name for your server. Tap on the button Create. Then open Web Browser. Here, search for Discord Developer Portal. Open the first link. From the top left, go to Applications. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Next, tap on the New Application button. First, provide your name. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. So tap on the Create button. Now go to Bot. Here, turn on Presence Intent, Server Member Intent, and Message Content Intent. Also, turn on the Public Bot. Now tap on Save Changes. Then click on Reset Token and confirm your selection. Also, copy the link of the token. Open a new tab. Here, search for Bot Ghost. Tap to open the first link. Now tap on Create a Bot. After this, click on Authorize. Then paste the copied token in the token bar over here. Tap on Create Bot. After finishing the tour, select Join Server. From the options available, click on Active Developer Badge. Tap on the Invite button. Now you need to select a server. Hit Continue. Then select Authorize. Here you need to prove your human identity. As you see, your bot has been authorized and added to the server. Next, open Bot Ghost. In the message bar, enter /ActiveDevBadge. As you see, a response is made. From the top menu, you can also view the members. So here, you just need to click on the link. This way, you'll be redirected to the Active Developer Badge. After this, you need to wait for 24 hours to get approval or update its system. And that's it. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.